I have fine, thin hair, and it has a tendency to get greasy. I try not to wash my hair every day because that can be bad for it. It takes away some of my skin's natural oils, but sometimes it can get too oily. Okay, it's gonna be a DIY dry shampoo.
Awesome.
For this recipe, you will need a 1/4 cup of cornstarch, and if you have dark hair, you'll want a 1/4 cup of cocoa powder. That's gonna make it blend in with your hair a little bit more. But if you have light hair like me, you can just use a 1/2 cup of cornstarch instead. Okay. You'll also want almond oil and Fit Essential Oil Blend. Okay. Those are optional, but they're gonna help balance your scalp's natural oil production.
Okay.
And a makeup brush to apply it. So you can go ahead and get started by mixing in the cocoa powder and stir it up. After you've mixed that, you can add your almond oil to this little bowl and your essential oil. We're gonna mix those together first to make them safe to have in contact with your skin. So we need a tablespoon of almond oil, okay, and then 3 drops of Fit Essential Oil Blend. Okay, so then we're gonna stir that, and then we'll add it to your dry shampoo, and then we'll mix it. So now it's ready to use. Okay. You can pour it in a sealable container and label it, and to use it, you want to take a makeup brush and tap off the extra, like that, and then apply it to your hair where it tends to get greasy. And you'll notice it doesn't totally match your hair. It hides pretty well though when you get it in there, but you can kind of tap it in there to blend it. Cool. And now, good, excess oil gone. For more great recipes like this one, head to blog.simplyearth.com.
And don't forget while you're checking that out to check out our recipe box and subscribe, and you'll get a big bonus box with that as well.
Yeah, so our box comes with 4 full-size essential oils, a recipe just like this one, and subscribers actually get all the oils and recipe you see here. I'm Katie.
And I'm Shyla.
We're certified aromatherapists at Simply Earth, and we love teaching people how to use essential oils.
Thanks for tuning in.
I feel like an archaeologist,
right? I inhaled some.